Hi everyone. Today we have an interesting expression to explore. It called down to earth. So what does it mean and how we can use it in everyday conversations? Down to earth is an idiomatic expression. It used to describe someone who is very humble and friendly. Let's break down how you can use it in sentences. She may be a famous actress, but she is incredibly down to earth. Look at the second one. I appreciate how down to earth he is, despite his worth. You see, in these examples are great way to compliment someone's character. So down to earth is a it's a positive expression used to describe people who are very friendly, humble, and not arrogant. Okay, so that's it today. Keep practice. See you soon.